Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today we are going to be working in this little butterfly journal. I have quite a few sessions and working in this journal. I actually have a tutorial on how to make this butterfly journal, and I have the digitals linked in the description box. And I have a playlist if you guys want to follow along and watch like each different session that I did. And so here's what it looks like so far. I try to explain my process in my videos so you guys can kind of hear how to do it, and you guys can follow along and work in your journals too if you would like. And today I'm going to continue and try to fill up maybe this page is what I'm thinking. And I have this little cutout. I'm actually using this. This is from the bird cutout. This is from the bird printable that I've been using. I use like this bird printable from the same kit, this one. I've been cutting the birds out of the postcards. They're vintage postcards and I think they're so pretty. And I'm thinking I want to, let's see, I'm not sure how I want to cut this one up because it's a little bit long and I want to see how I want to use it. You know what? I can cut it here because I can always figure out how to kind of patch them together if I wanted to. So I can do this. I can use that there, and I can maybe use this here, but I'm thinking to cut the little branch off because it kind of covers up the pink flower right here. And this way, I don't know, maybe I'll use it there. Maybe not. Okay, we're gonna set it aside for now. And I think I can use that one, or I can do this one too. Oops, I didn't mean to grab the flower. I can do this. See that? Okay, maybe I'll do this though. I think I like that. And now, since this is basically, I have two visuals. I have the pretty flower here, and then I have the birds. I'm thinking I want some kind of words. I can use a quote, or I can use some words, or I can even just use some script like this. This is from one of the postcards, and I tore it up, and I just rolled up the edges a little bit, and I can use that. Maybe not. Let's see what else I have already cut up. I kind of like this one. Let's cut this one up to see how that looks. Sometimes I just have to have them a little bit more finished and then try it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see what else I have in here. I have a lot of pieces I've already cut out. I have nature's poetry. Let's see, what else can I use in the moment? I can do maybe like a label. That's a little bit big. I was thinking maybe I can cut it down or tear it apart somehow, but okay, so I have all these little labels. I love using them. Let's see if this one will work here somehow. Or sideways like this maybe. And then I can technically, I can tear this off so it doesn't have like that hard edge. I like to use them as labels too, but sometimes, like I already have this label, so we'll see if this will work. Where I just layer it on top like this. See that? Let's see. I have some lace here that I can overlay it maybe. Let's see, it's a little gray. Let's see if I can use that. And I'm gonna cut part of it off so you can kind of still see the little black border. And then maybe add this on top. Let's see how that looks. Maybe I need to ink the edges a little bit. Okay. Let's see, is there anything else I could use? Maybe I can use these instead. I like counting my blessings, but did I already use that in here? Let's see. What truly matters? I don't think I did. Maybe I didn't. No, I did. See that? I did it there. I mean, technically you can still use it, but I'm trying to not be too redundant. This is cute. I actually like the way it kind of fell over like that. I feel like it looks even better. Isn't that funny? Sometimes I try to be too perfect, and so I like the way it just kind of fell. Maybe what I need to do, maybe I'll add a little bit of this. And maybe I'll just staple it on here. Wouldn't that be cute? Let's see. Here's my stapler. I have my vintage stapler that I always love using, but I ran out of staples. And I need to replace them, so I have my little plastic one here too. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I think that's cute. See how it's not really perfect? Okay, I'm gonna get some glue. And then just add it to the birds, because the positioning of the birds kind of is what helps, I think, the layout. So I want to position the birds first, and then I'll do the label. And the label, the back of it is a misprint, and that's okay because I'm gluing it down, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's lifting up a little bit. See that? How it's lifting up, but I don't mind. I like it. Isn't that cute? I think that's really cute. Okay, let's see the back side of it. See how the back is a little white? I'm gonna just add a little bit of ink so it's not too white. And then, yeah, I think that's cute. I like the way it's all kind of hanging out everywhere. Now let's see, do I still want to do this one here? I'm not sure yet. I like the lace over it. It softens it a bit. This fell out. Okay. You know, I can even maybe go like this and add more birds. Do I want to do that? Let's see. I can even add these little guys. I have all these pieces that I already have cut up and ready to go. I think that's good, actually. Let's see, is there another word I could use right here? Serenity is nice. I think that's pretty. Tranquil, I like tranquil. I like serenity. What else do I have? Simple pleasures, isn't that pretty? Country living, cottage garden, rustic harmony, a simple life, a quietness. I kind of like that a lot. Let's try a quietness because, well, it's quiet, but it feels like peaceful when you hear the birds singing. So I don't know, I think that would go. Okay, can do this one. What if I do two? I can do bird watching and a quietness, maybe. Let's see, bird watching. I like nature walks. I can do simple pleasures and bird watching or songbird. Maybe I'll do that. Let's see how that looks. I just love hearing the birds sing, and I always hear them in the morning. And that was like something that I guess also was different since we've moved to Texas from Seattle. I always hear birds. There's so many birds here, and I don't remember hearing or seeing birds in Seattle. So that's one thing I love about Texas is all the birds. Bird watching, simple pleasures. Do I do bird watching or songbird? I kind of want to go with songbird because I love hearing them. I think that's cute. Okay. I love playing with words and adding like little words to my pages. Okay, what do you guys think of that? I think that's cute. And I love the way I kind of rolled them up a little bit, see? Just like that, so that they have a little bit of movement and dimension when I put them down. And I like that the lace isn't straight either. It's kind of wrinkled up and kind of like not perfect, and I like that. Okay. Okay, songbird and simple pleasures. I like that. Isn't that cute? That was a quick little session. I don't know how long I've been going for, but that kind of came together pretty quickly because I had the birds cut out. And so that's why I love having my little pile here of pieces, because I can just sit down and craft a little bit and my pages come together a lot quicker. Okay, so if you guys haven't been following along, I have a playlist on my channel with how I made this little butterfly journal, and I have the printables up in my Etsy shop if you guys want to go take a look. I'm actually going to try to put some of these printables on sale so that if you want to pick them up, while this is like the new release of the video, you can get it at a discount, but the discount will be for a limited time. So you guys can go check that out. And so here's what we have so far. This kind of keeps coming out, but I don't mind. I think it's still really cute. It feels more interactive when you're kind of adjusting it, if that makes sense. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm really loving it. I think it's so cute. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this little journal session. And if you liked it, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you're new to my channel, drop by and say hi if you'd like. I'd love to hear from you. And I hope you guys enjoy this. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.